Welcome back to the channel. My name's Audi and today is all about upgrading an Audi TT. So let's hand over to Dan. Let's jump into the video.
Hi, I'm Dan. Today we're working on this Audi TT, fitting a two-way component kit, an Audi APK 165P and a Hertz small subwoofer, plus skins water guards for the speakers. We'll also be adding 20 sheets of soundproofing across the whole car. Before we get started, we need to perform a diagnostics on the vehicle and go from there. Let's get started. So we've now completed the first stage of this Audi TT, which has consisted of 6 sheets of skin soundproofing in both front doors and 8 in the rear. The next step of this is to install our custom 3D printed mid-bass adapter and the new AP 6.5 mid-bass, along with skins water guards and built-in XT60 connectors. Let's get them installed.
I hope you guys are loving the video today so far, but I just want to run you through spec of the final system. I think Dan's already covered some of it, so I won't spend too long out here. And then we're going to jump inside the vehicle, get the car out the, I think it's about to start raining soon, and we're going to go inside and listen to the system. But what we've actually got in the car is the Audi Prima APK 165Ps, basically the high performance version of the Prima range, gone into stock location on the tweeter on top of the dash, and then the mid-bass driver in the door. And then we've carried out 20 sheets of skin sound ending across the vehicle. So if you hear here, that's not been done, and then here, that has. So that's a lot more solid now. We've also got the small sub, which is actually what our client was after, was having it all hidden. Didn't want anything kind of on display, wanted the sub completely hidden and no boot room taken up. So why we've gone for it's called an underseat sub, but we've mounted it. They never fit underneath seats anymore. So we've gone underneath the factory floor, cut out a little bit of the foam area and gone into that location. So that works really, really well. And you're going to hear now how the system sounds. So without further ado, let's jump in it. Now is the time where we're going to actually be listening to some tracks inside this vehicle. Obviously, we've been through the upgrade that we've done on the car. Obviously, we've got the sub, we've got the new front speakers, all factory kind of locations, everything's hidden. It's quite nice. So we've got the little controller, which is kind of down in this corner, so I'll stretch down there to kind of access that. The reason why I'm sat in the passenger seat and we've got my little buddy next to me here with the little ears, this is when I stop talking for a few minutes, you'll be actually listening to the audio system via this microphone setup. It will give you kind of a really, really good example of kind of the level of system that this is. In terms of, I'm just going to play a couple of tracks for you. Obviously, I'll play you with and without a sub. If you're listening to this on a decent system, you'll be able to hear the bass come in and out. Obviously, just listening from your phone, you're not going to hear anything. So don't do that. All right, let's have a listen. So this is no sub right now. That's three-quarter volume.
Was it your milky eyes or your skin? I don't know. Doesn't matter anyway, 'cause I'm never letting you go. I know it's
so now I'm going to pull in the sub.
Take some time, but I won't make you mine. I'll go the extra mile.
realize all I need is you. I can never get enough. Say she on her way down, yeah, always down to have a good time.
I think this is kind of just a little bit of feedback. I think one of the systems like this, these are like the sub, for example, we're using the setup that we've gone for this client is obviously based around a consultation of what they're after, but obviously you don't get any more volume by just doing like a front speaker upgrade. It's just that they're more sensitive, so they're going to play better and sound nicer. But this sub is never, it wasn't designed, it wasn't planned to kind of move you or shake you, but it was about adding in that extra little bit of depth into a track to kind of fill the frequency band. Just give an overall better feel to the car, which it really does. It makes a huge difference having that on. So
You're on my screen like a monumental totem. I be my light, you rise above the dark. And I don't mean to be a whistleblower, but I know
tell him he's all you see. Tell him you got his keys, cause you thought he needed them, but he's not coming back again. So he's gone, leaving then. You won't see him again. It was convenient, but you won't be staying friends. And you know that, sweetie, you know that. Think you knew it before, but you just ignored.
yeah, really happy with that. Obviously, as you know from our channel, and if you follow us quite a lot, you'll see lots of videos that we've done. We do some incredibly huge builds in some incredible cars, but we also do literally every sort of different type of car, every different type of system. So this is a relatively entry-ish level system. Still phenomenal gear though. So the Auto Suprema is designed to be kind of the most efficient speaker to run off like factory or aftermarket head unit, and it really does make a huge difference in the car. Sounding one of these cars, and any car for that matter, is being able to upgrade it. And what we're working with is such a poor quality system from stock. It doesn't take much to get better than it, and this really does. It's still got the sound in it, it's still got the foundation level system, it's still got all our 3D printed adapters in here. So yeah, I mean, it's really happy with the final result. Sub makes a huge difference in the car, and that clarity enhancement is also there. So overall, another car wrapped up. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed today's slightly shorter video, but thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one.